Ji Chang Wook once again challenged a new genre, a heartfelt musical K-drama. Most of us haven't seen anything like this before. As an actor, he's constantly stepping outside the comfort zone and breaking the walls. Fans praise him for accepting any new role as a new challenge. Even the press also mentioned him. And the reason he took this role is because the story reminds him of his teenage years. He said that the poverty and concern of high school student Yunai and Na-il-dung's worries about his grade and future are similar to Ji Chang Wook's story. He said that he was stressed because of his grade and faced difficulty because his family was in a difficult situation. When he thinks about the two characters, he felt sorry and wanted to support them. So that's why he took on this project. And what makes fans fangirling over him again and again is because today, the first host for his upcoming drama The Sound of Magic is finally released. He shared on Instagram story where we can hear the perfectly blended voices of Ji Chang Wook and Choi Seung-eun. Aren't you also excited for this new drama? Also today, it was reported that Lee Ha-jun is joining Ji Chang Wook to lead the criminal action drama The Worst Evil. So we can see Ji Chang Wook in an action drama again in the future.